Welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where passion for cars meets the future of innovation. Today, we have something that blends pure American muscle heritage with futuristic engineering, the 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod. This machine is not just another update, it's a rebirth of one of the most iconic Mustangs ever created, the legendary '69 Fastback, reimagined for a new era. Ford has managed to bridge the gap between classic design and modern performance, creating a car that makes enthusiasts' hearts race while setting new standards for what a muscle car can be. From the very first glance, the 2026 Mustang Fastback Restomod screams power and nostalgia. That long, aggressive hood, the signature Fastback roofline, and the wide stance immediately remind you of the golden age of muscle cars. But then you notice the futuristic touches: razor-sharp LED headlights, a redesigned grille with modern aerodynamics, and lightweight alloy wheels that balance style with performance. Ford has done something few manufacturers can achieve, honoring history while shaping the future. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where things get really exciting. Ford has offered enthusiasts two incredible powertrain options. For the purists, there's a naturally aspirated V8 that roars like the classic Mustangs we all know and love. But for those who crave a mix of old-school muscle with modern electrified torque, there's a hybrid-assisted V8 that pushes the performance envelope to over 700 horsepower. The acceleration is lightning fast, the torque delivery is instant, and yet the sound is still unmistakably Mustang: deep, aggressive, and soul-stirring. Inside, the Restomod treatment continues. The cabin is a blend of retro-inspired design and cutting-edge technology. Premium leather and Alcantara upholstery give it a luxurious yet sporty vibe, while the chrome toggle switches nod to the original '69 Fastback. But then you're greeted by a massive 15-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's latest sync system, a customizable digital instrument cluster, and an advanced driver assist suite that makes the car both exciting and practical. One of the coolest features is the ability to switch between classic analog-style gauges and futuristic performance displays, giving you the best of both worlds. On the road, the 2026 Mustang Fastback Restomod proves that it's more than just looks and power. Ford has equipped it with adaptive suspension, precision steering, and an optional all-wheel drive system, making it one of the most versatile Mustangs ever built. Whether you're cruising on the highway, carving through mountain roads, or launching off the line at the drag strip, this car adapts effortlessly. The handling is sharper, the ride more refined, and the connection between driver and machine feels stronger than ever. What makes this Restomod even more special is Ford's commitment to making it accessible to enthusiasts. Unlike many concept cars or one-off builds, the Mustang Fastback Restomod is going into production, which means real drivers will get the chance to own and experience this Legend Reborn. It's not just for collectors, it's for people who want to feel the thrill of driving a car that connects history with the future. In the end, the 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that muscle cars are not fading away, they're evolving. Ford has shown that respect for heritage and a vision for the future can exist in perfect harmony. This is more than just a ride, it's an experience, one that honors the past while pushing the limits of what's possible. That's it for today's review of the incredible 2026 Mustang Fastback Restomod. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more coverage on cars that are changing the game, make sure you like this video, drop a comment sharing your thoughts on whether you'd pick the pure V8 or the hybrid beast, and subscribe to Car Trend for more exclusive looks at the vehicles defining tomorrow.